Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a booking website on Wix. First, select a professional template that fits your business needs, like a salon or fitness studio design. Next, easily add the Wix Bookings app from the App Market. It's a crucial step. Then, clearly define each service you offer, setting accurate prices and detailed descriptions for your clients. This initial setup takes about 15 to 20 minutes to complete effectively. Now, let's customize your services. Specify the duration for each appointment, perhaps 30 minutes or 1 hour, and set the maximum capacity if it's a group session. You'll also add your staff members, assigning their specific services and availability. Don't forget to integrate secure payment options like PayPal or Stripe, ensuring clients can pay easily and confidently right on your site. Effective calendar management is key. Sync your Wix Bookings calendar with your personal Google Calendar or Outlook to avoid double booking and stay organized. Implement automated email confirmations and helpful reminders for clients, reducing no-shows by up to 20%. Regularly review and manage all incoming booking requests through your dashboard, ensuring a smooth workflow for your business operations. Finally, it's time to go live. Once everything is set up and tested, publish your Wix booking website for the world to see. Share your new site across all your social media channels, reaching a wider audience and attracting new clients. Continuously monitor your site's performance and gather client feedback. This helps you make ongoing improvements and ensures a top-notch booking experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.